Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove view only in Google Sheets. So in here, I've already opened the file, and if you're set this file as view only to your friends and you want to remove that, here's how you're going to do it. First, you can just click on the share button at the top right corner, and you can see here I've set this file as view only to my friends, and to remove it you can just click on this button. Here you can just change their role maybe as commenter or editor, or you can also remove access straight away. You can just remove them from this file, or in here if you're set your file as anyone with the link, you can change it. You can see this is viewer, so it might be set as view only. You can just change it back into restricted, and here your file will not be again in view only. So just click on done after that, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.